Hi loves, today let's talk about the Nyx Epic Smoke liners. I will show you the swatches on the hand, on the eyes. I will show you the application. I will tell you how well or how badly they last. So stay tuned till the end of this video. In the meantime, let me show you that they came in these cute little boxes, and the colors that I have are ESL07 Epic Smoke liner, I suppose, 07, Violet Flash, which is a muted, slightly grayish purple, and ESL08 Sage Sparks, which is a slightly muted, once again, forest green. So let me show you the close-ups. Okay, so this shape is really interesting. See, it's kind of pointy here so that you can make a line, and when you roll it out, it's kind of flat on the side, so you can also draw a broad line. Like, let me show you. So here goes a more pointy line. Like, it's not exactly super pointy, but the end is kind of a little bit sharpened. And at the same time, you can also draw a flat line. As you see, they apply quite pigmentedly, though you might need to do a few passes. And also, on the other side, there is this brush. It's really cute. It's so tiny. Look at it. And you can actually smoke this thing out. So it's very, very, very blendable. See, you can actually get a very smoky line with this. Same goes for the green. It looks like this. Like, the shape is really fun, honestly. You can use it as a liner and, well, as an eyeshadow stick, I suppose. This brush is just so cute. And then you can once again smoke it out, the Epic Smoke liner by NYX Cosmetics. But the thing is, you can actually smoke it out on either bare skin or maybe a nude eyeshadow. You won't really be able to do it on colorful eyeshadow without ruining the eyeshadow. So here are the colors, the way they look. This is a warm muted forest green, and this is a grayish, also muted violet or purple. I'm also wearing Violet Flash in the waterline right now. On the waterline, obviously, you can also apply it with the eyeshadow. The pro to the application on the waterline is that it's really, really soft. So if you have a sensitive waterline, this one is really good to apply. Like, it feels nice, way nicer than most pencils. However, the con is that it erases pretty quickly from the waterline. Let me also show you the application on bare lids that I did a while ago, and I also did a wear test. Less than an hour of wear and already this happened. It's all over my upper lid. See, it has transferred here. I will remove it, apply some powder, and let's see what happens next. Another 2 hours later, despite the lasting eyeliner hack, it still has transferred a little more. Also, it has noticeably faded here, and well, here too, obviously. Overall, not fit for oily eyelids. So when you apply it on bare lids, it is really pigmented, it applies very smoothly. As I have said, the pencil is very soft, and you can definitely blend it out with this little brush and get a really smoky liner. But I'm afraid that that's pretty much it to the pros. Because the con is that if you have oily lids, especially if you have very oily lids like I do, these pencils do not last. They can somewhat last on the waterline, as I have said, but on the eyelid, no. If you have dry eyelids, if you have normal skin, if you've never had a problem with something not lasting on your eyelid, then that's okay, that's fine, that does not apply to you. But if you ever had like even a slight problem of something creasing too fast, you know, transferring too fast, that is that product. It will go away like poof. Instantly. Maybe, you know, another product I can name is that they have really interesting colors. I mean, this violet and also this green, they are pretty unique. That's why I got them actually. But unfortunately, I cannot really use them. I think the only use that I can find for them is on my waterline. Obviously, I could also apply them on top of the eyeshadow, so when I'm wearing a primer and an eyeshadow, of course things last better. So especially if it's not for the whole day, it could last for some time. However, since the tip here is of this peculiar shape, I can't really make it super sharp, and I love me a sharp wing. So I don't think that's actually the way to go for me either. Obviously, you know, since I have these pencils now, I can maybe invent some kind of makeup look where I can use them, but if the question is, would I repurchase them? No. By no means, no. So, the point of this is, I do not hate them. They're not really bad. However, they do not, absolutely not, they do not work for oily lids. So if you have dry lids, if you have normal lids, if you never had a problem with your makeup lasting on your eyes like ever in your life, you can go ahead and buy them. They're a lot of fun to play with. The colors are pretty. This cute little brush is very sweet, and you can get a smoky line. It's all very nice. It's all fun and daisies until you have oily lids. And if you do have oily lids, what I recommend is the Nyx Epic Wear liner stick. They last really well, and I have a review of them right here. Go and check it out, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching this one. Bye!